Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk to you about silence and its danger. There is a silence in this room. It is not the silence of fear, nor it is the silence of rest. It is the silence of someone who saw a mistake, who knew a mistake, but chose to say nothing about it. Maybe they were just shy. Maybe they were afraid. And they thought, not my problem, or I don't really care. But what if I tell you that the silence could cost you lives? That is not a movie. That is not a fake story. It is real life. In January 1986, the space shuttle is set for launch on the United States. Engineers found some critical problems in the system, and so they informed their managers that this equipment is not suited for launch. There is a problem with the system. However, the manager said, no, the launch must go on. And just like that, no arguments, no fighting, not even a single word spoken. And so they launched it. 73 seconds later, the shuttle exploded. 7 people died. 7 people. All of this because they chose silence over courage. Now, I want you to take a look at yourself. Have you ever been in a group project? You saw a mistake, but you chose to say nothing. You were afraid. You were shy. You're thinking, who am I to say anything? That, my friend, is fear. You felt that fear. I felt that fear. Most of us felt that fear. But honestly, that fear is a risk of danger. A bridge does not care if you are shy. A machine does not care if you are silent. And we're all still a student. We're still learning. It is okay. But we're gonna graduate in the next year. Some of us on the next 2 years. And some of us in the next 3 years. And we will get our degree. We will find jobs. And on our first day on our job, we're gonna be in that position of the engineer, watching the system. I hope, I truly hope, that if the chance of silence comes to us, we will never take that chance. And what if we do something wrong? What if we found a mistake? Or what if we saw something wrong? Now, that is a good question. You can start small. You can start just by finding a minor problem. Just just speak. You do not need to be harsh. You do not need to be alarming or panic. You can just spoke kindly and gently. What matters is the message that you sent, not how you sent it. Let us be the generation of engineers that chose to speak instead of just staying silent. And if you ever get the chance to silence, I hope you would never take that chance. Thank you.
fuck?